I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly out of empty toilet paper rolls. For this project we're only going to need 3 rolls. We're going to start by flattening the first roll and then cutting it in 8 equal pieces. For each wing we're going to use 4 of these pieces. We're going to use one of them as the outer layer, and the other 3 we're going to fold in half and then glue them inside, just like I'm gonna show you. We're going to make another wing just like this one. The other 2 are going to be just a little bit different. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell button so you don't miss any of my next crafts. For the second type of wings, we're going to start just the same, by flattening the roll and then cutting it into 8 equal pieces. We're going to follow the same structure of 4 pieces by wing, with one of them being the outer layer and the other 3 being inside of the wing. The difference from the first set of wings is this third final inner piece. Here we're going to place it just inside of the second one instead of at the top. And now we'll start creating the second wing of this design. And now for its body, you guessed it. We're going to flatten the roll again and cut it into 8 equal pieces. We're going to take 3 of these pieces, cutting the top of them and then rolling. We're going to roll all 3 pieces one after the other, creating one bigger spiral. Now we're going to do the same thing, but instead of 3 pieces, we're only going to use 2. And now the final piece, we're going to create the antennas. We're going to cut also the last piece of the cardboard at the top and then flip it and then roll just a little bit to create that recognizable antennas. And now it's time to assemble the butterfly. We're just going to glue each of the pieces together. If you want to make different kinds of butterflies, you can check out my channel for different tutorials on how to make butterflies, snails, bears, etc. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!